Hi, I'm Greg with Greg James Designs, and I thank you for coming and checking out our plan page. We have stock plans that we have done for clients. We literally have hundreds of them, but we've gone through and selected plans that we feel that you would like. Well, why choose us? Well, for one, these plans are specifically designed for metal buildings or a wood post and frame construction buildings. All the plans depending on the plan you choose, that plan was designed for a specific client that had specific needs, and so the plan may already be set up for a bolt-up rigid frame I-beam building, or maybe already set up for a weld-up steel building or a wood post and frame. Not a problem. If you want to change the type building, that's very easy to do. We do charge a small additional fee for that, but we can do that. We can make changes to the plans if you like, so you can start with a base set of plans, and then for an hourly rate, we'll make any changes you want. And you'll probably still come out cheaper doing that than just starting from scratch. Thanks for looking, and I hope you find what you want. So you can either fill out the form below and send a request in, and we will contact you, or you can just call our office and we'll be glad to discuss what we have with you. Thank you so much.